Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try an Arabic dish, Lehmajeen, which means dough with meat. Flatbread topped with spiced minced meat and baked. A perfect iftar party dish. Let's see how to do it. Let's make the dough. Into a bowl add some all-purpose flour with some sugar, salt, instant dry yeast, and mix all the dry ingredients. Then add in some yogurt and oil. Mix it, then add in some warm water little by little. Mix it and make it into a soft dough. Knead it for a while. Then cover it using a cling film and keep it aside for 1 hour until it gets double in size. Meanwhile, let's marinate the meat with some red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and some pepper powder. Add some salt and kasuri methi. Add in some ginger and garlic, tomato, some onion. Blend them all together with the meat. Let's keep that aside and check our dough. It got doubled in size. Deflate the dough. Knead it for 1 minute. Now take small portions. And flat the ball using your fingers. Now place a small meatball on top of the dough. Press it onto the dough. Then transfer that onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Similarly, make the other pieces. Now just before baking, give an egg wash on the sides. Now bake them at a 230-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. And just look at that. Beautifully it got baked. And a delicious iftar party snack is ready. We can garnish it with some chopped onions, tomatoes and some mint leaves. We can have it with ketchup or mayo. A perfect evening snack. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.